We're making Cuban sandwiches. This couple of days vlog's mainly going to be about food and how nice it is around here. So that's the end of day 10? Day 10?
No.
8? That's the end of day 8. Day 9, and yeah, it's really on edge. Don't know, it's really good that I'm going home tomorrow. So anyway, there wasn't a lot happening today, you know, because of all the stress and stuff, and yeah, that's why there's not much footage for it, and that's the end of the trip. Kidding, it's been awesome. How's the trip been?
It's been good.
She's stolen the book from me.
I'm nearly there. It's only
In fairness, she started that today.
yesterday.
Yesterday. That's literally all we've been doing, is reading. It's been super
Needed
chill.
like 2 days of just chilled at the end of a holiday.
Yeah, exactly.
So it was busy
It was.
in Munich and Barcelona.
We're the only ones left from the whole trip crew. Tomorrow's just going to be flying, so I'm not sure how much we're going to film for that. Boring stuff.
Probably not very much.
Yeah, it's boring stuff. You don't want to see it. I hope you've enjoyed all of the holiday stuff. I hope it's made you want to go to Barcelona, Munich, and, well, Menorca, maybe not so much. But the other two places.
I haven't seen much of Menorca, but it's lovely.
If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and a like. If you like these videos, you can go onto my channel. I do them kind of often, not that often. I'm trying to do them more. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed them. Hopefully you've liked all the stuff we've done, and I'll be sure to do more if you do. Bye bye. Jeez, that was tiring.
The one thing you had to do today.
I didn't want to. It's like it takes forever to do any of this stuff.
Yeah, go away. I'm reading.